Hey everyone, Suraj here. So today we'll learn about conditional statements. I'll show you what that means. So we'll go to idle and file, new file, and yeah. So I'm gonna type here and you will guess the output. Okay. If 9 greater than 5, print. Okay, so we'll go ahead and execute this. It'll ask us to save. Save here as if else. Okay, so this is the output. Now we'll analyze it. Now, if we just by looking at it, if some condition, then this, else this. So just by the basic knowledge of English, we can somehow guess that, and since the output is 9 is obviously greater than 5, which is this statement, you know that this statement is obviously not executed, and we know that the condition 9 greater than 5 is true. So you'll kind of get the intuition that forget about all this colons, okay, for now. So you'll kind of get the intuition that if this condition is true, then execute this. Else, that means if this condition is not true, execute this. And it just did that. 9 is obviously greater than 5, so it executed only this and not this. So this is called conditional statements. This is called as if-else block. Now we can execute more than one statement here, like print something. Let's run it. So here we get this again. 9 is obviously greater than 5, and again. So the things you've noticed here, one is these are in different colors, if and else, and if and else, if else, print, these are keywords. That means you cannot use this anywhere else in the program. It's meant for only this condition, okay? And whatever condition you have to write should be inside these parentheses, and then it is followed by a colon. Then you write all your statements here. You can write any statements you want, how many ever statements you want. Then you write else, then again you write this. So it's not necessary that you have to write else. You can just leave it at if. And one more thing is, what you've noticed would be the gap that I've given here. So this is called as indentation. This is like a basic Python programming knowledge. That is, whatever is follows this gap belongs to this if block. So if I press enter here, it immediately gives me the cursor right here. And there is something called as nested if, like you can have conditions within this. We'll see that later. But the main point is, whatever statements you write within this indentation will be executed, will be considered under if block. So if you write something here, it won't be executed under else. Likewise, I can write print end. So what do you think? Will this end be executed? Let's see. No, it's not executed because it's under else block. And it won't go to the else block because 9 is never not greater than 5. So else will not be executed. That's why print end will not be executed. So if I remove that and write here, so now this statement is not under else block. So this statement is under the main program. So this will be executed. Let's see. See, and it got executed. So this is basic if else statement, and what you learned is if else, the condition you write here, and indentation, very important. This can also be variables, which we had learned earlier. I write a equals 9 and I replace this 9 with a. So this will give the same result. Run, save, gives the same result. So variables are very important. So I haven't told you any definition of it, but nonetheless you know now. A equals 9, that means a is a variable, and you can, wherever you use a, I give a here, the value of a will be printed, but not here. And why is that? Because I am using double quotes, so whatever is within double quotes will be printed as it is. If I actually want the value a, it should be without the double quotes. So run it. Okay, here we go. So that's printed. Alright, so you learned if else conditional blocks. Indentation, very important. So see, even this is not indented, that means it is in the main program. These two lines are indented, it's under if. This line is indented, it's under else. Okay. Alright then, leave your doubts and suggestions in the comment below. I'll see you guys next time.